You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this cat breed in German. If you want to learn more names, some more pronunciations, including from German, and cat names are so cute. This has all become a meme as well. The German pronunciation is as Stubentiger, meaning literally the house cat, or the house that stays inside. Stubentiger, therefore in English you can say it at not Stubentiger, Stubentiger. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.